Hi, in this video I will show you how to set up CoreApps using the CoreGarage. And CoreGarage is the settings manager for all the CoreApps. There are 18 CoreApps, so all those apps will use the CoreGarage for settings. So first I will open the CoreGarage. Yeah, so this is CoreGarage. So you look, the icons are smaller, then some settings are not suitable for touch based devices. So I will show you how to set up. So the first settings you should keep it. I think it's a feature of CoreApps. Second settings is for use the setting system notification. Some desktop environment like XFC or Mate don't support this one. So if you can't see any notification, then uh, disable it, this one, then it will automatically use the notification from the core apps, not from the system. So experimental feature, you can enable it. Then in version to version there are some experimental feature we added, so you can use it using enable this button. So side view I will use 48. Side view icon size is those icon size, side view. And toolbar is the top toolbar, so I will use same size. List view I will use same, and for icon view I will use 56. And for touch mode you should keep as it is. It's touch based device, so it automatically will detect the touch devices. And the side view width is the from here to here is the side view width, so keep as it is, or you can change it to make it more narrower. And for the next one is tablet mode, so you should enable it when your screen is much bigger than a phone size, like 8 or 9 inch or like 12 inch. You have Surface device or Nintendo Switch or any other tablet, those screen size is much bigger than 5 inch or 6 inch. uh, then you should enable the tablet mode. The tablet mode will use the that big screen properly. So you will see some changes if you enable the tablet mode in your big screen devices, but if you enable the tablet mode in your phone, it will make all the UI crampy, so you can't use it in your phone devices, or like a small devices. So you should enable it when you have bigger screen. So backup is like, will take all the backups of your settings, pins, using all the settings used by the core apps, 18 of them. So favorite apps, I will set some favorite apps, like I'll set Core FM. Yeah. mm, okay, some favorite. For terminal, currently I don't have installed core terminal here, so I will use XFC terminal. Yeah, XFC terminal. Then file manager, I will use Core FM. For metadata we have core info, but I don't have it here right now. For search app I will use core hunt. For image editor I will currently use core image. You can use Inkscape or GIMP here. For batch renamer I will use core renamer. Okay, for then CoreAction. So CoreAction is the part, uh, is a separate app. Of also this part can use by the CoreStuff. So I won't use network current because I don't have any Wi-Fi here. backlight I don't use. So core favorite apps, also the notes. Yeah, there is more. This will show up when you install CoreAction or the Core Toppings, because those widgets comes from Core Toppings and some comes for CoreAction. Also, you can use third-party plugins by adding path here. Core terminal, currently I don't have core terminal. If you are using core terminal in a small devices, just change the font size, increase the font size. That will be much usable. Yeah, font size I think you should use 11. For cone shot, this is core shot. Say as it is core pad, I will use 14 maybe. Show previews, okay. I will use tiles, like for view mode tiles in the touch based devices. So you can use icons for your tablet mode if you have tablet. And for the main settings, it's like the CoreStuff. All are same, you can keep it as it is. For CoreStuff, I will enable desktop mode, and that's it. So let's click apply, then close. Then let's start CoreStuff again. Then you will see the changes. See, now it's much usable than before. All the icons are much bigger and easily clickable. Yeah, so this is the widget page. So I added those favorite apps are here, so I can open them from here. Yeah, CoreApps. So I click this dock button, so it just changes from recent open apps to the task page. So I can open view now. So I click this, then all the tasks are here. You can close the task from here, so I closed all. So notes, here you can take notes. Also this is the calendar, so it shows the events on that time. Currently my date is not correct. Also this is the system view. So let's open some apps. CoreApp FM, yeah, CoreGarage, yeah, all the drives. Yeah, so I can share some, I can send those files using Bluetooth, or like send those files in those folders. Yeah, you can use them. Also I can pin those apps. Yeah, I got them pinned. So then close those up. Then I can check the pins if it's there or not. Yeah, those two pins. So you can delete those pins here. So this is core pins. It's like a bookmark for you every apps, for every CoreApps. Or like you can pin apps from, pin files using the system file manager also. So let's open some other core hunt. So let's open the core keyboard, so we can type something here, like Jira, yeah, core, yeah, this I can sort them, folders, image, yeah. So then we can open core image, add files, yeah. So wherever you are, just click this talk button, then it will bring you the task page. That's the beauty of core stuff. So this is CoreGarage, add new text. So then open core time. Yeah, this is core time. Then open core universe. So this is the version 2.9. So first thing you should do always, you just open the CoreGarage, then set up all the settings you need according to your device. If it's phone, then use relevant settings. If it's a tablet, then enable the tablet mode. If it's a desktop, then you should set it up like desktop apps. So this is CoreStuff. So all the pins will show up here. So all the activities I did using the core apps are here. I opened this file, I opened this folder using the core image, then I clicked again, then it will open that app using that file. Yeah, so this is core, remember. Yeah, okay, hope you guys will use core apps and core stuff more. Then let us know your user experience, or if you find any bugs here and there. That will help us a lot. Okay, thanks for watching, and please uh, like the video and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.